Shares of lead and aluminium recycling company Gravita India jumped up 7% after the firm launched a QIP, or a qualified institutional placement. According to sources, the firm will raise up to 750 crore through the QIP route with an option to upsize the issue to about 1,000 crore. The QIP will result in an equity dilution of 5.2%. SME renewable energy solutions player Oriana Power surged 9% in trade after signing an MOU with the government of Rajasthan for various renewable energy projects worth 10,000 crore rupees. Interestingly, the MOU of 10,000 crore rupees is nearly double the SME player's total market cap of rupees about 5,344 crore. Shares of Quest Corp jumped up to 10% in early trade after domestic brokerage Antique Brokering initiated coverage with a buy recommendation and a target price of rupees 1,000 per share on an improved growth outlook. The Antique Broking note also said that the growth momentum for the company is expected to continue as the firm is set to benefit from strong hiring trends across segments. Quest Corp is also witnessing strong momentum in the BFSI, manufacturing and telecom spaces due to rapid urbanization and growth of GCCs in India. Shares of Invero Infra Engineers soared up to 6%, marking their fifth straight winning streak and a whopping 50% surge in just the past 5 sessions. The trading frenzy continued in trade today with 10 crore shares exchanging hands in 2 days, more than double the 1-week average of 4 crore shares. Piramal Pharma shares surged after JM Financial initiated coverage with a buy call and a target price of about 340 per share, which indicates an upside of about 36% from the previous close. The note pointed out that the newly commercialized molecules of Piramal Pharma have gained traction. What will also help the firm is the anticipation of a recovery in the US biotech sector in H2 FY25, said JM Financial. DARC shares were locked in a 10% lower circuit as the New Delhi-based construction company said in an exchange filing that the market regulator SEBI, through a letter dated Monday, has appointed a forensic auditor to examine its financial statements for FY21 to FY23. Domestic lender HDFC Bank's shares slipped over 1% as SEBI issued an administrative warning letter alleging non-compliance with certain SEBI listing regulations. The issue pertains to the resignation of Arvind Kapil, a senior management executive at the bank. Shares of Hindustan Construction Company, or HCC, fell up to 4% after the company announced the opening of its QIP issue on Monday, which is December 16th. The board-approved issue has a floor price of about Rs 45.27 per share. Gas companies such as IGL, MGL and GAIL India took a tumble on the bourses today after reports suggested that the inclusion of natural gas under the GST framework would not be on the agenda of the upcoming GST Council meet. Currently, gas sees a slew of taxes, a state VAT, a central sales tax and central excise duty. The gas value chain has many input and output taxes, especially as a result in differentiation of taxes between different states. Switching to GST would actually improve these tax inefficiencies.